This is stay out of the house. What? No! You. He's dead. I don't want to be. I don't know where I am. Wherever I am. Get me out of here. 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 I can't get out. I can't get out. I can't get out. Because upstairs? Well. Is that him? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, what is it? What? What is that? Who are you? Oh, Grandma! Grandma, move! Grandma, move! Oh. Oh my ayada! What? What do you mean? Where am I? This is a saw trap. I'm gonna wake up in a saw trap and I have to escape. I can bend the cage here to escape. Oh my goodness! Thank God. Jump. Oh, that's so cool. No, a lot. Okay, it was 4 blank 6 2. Oh, let's go. Oh my gosh. What's in it? 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 Open up. A screwdriver. That's comp. Wait a minute. Screws. Let's go. Oh my god. He's chopping something on the table. Yeah, that's a person. What is in here? I'm so fucking dumb. What? He's not there anymore. Is that Gam Gam? Oh, go, go, go. He's spotting. What? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Nah, I would never hide from you. Do you know what you mean to me, buddy? You're my best friend in the whole wide world. Is this how? Wait, is this button? That's how he turns it on and off. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a 0 cents. Motherfucker. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I know what you're talking about, brother. I'm just chilling. We having a good old time. Hey, let's go crack open a couple brewskis, brother. Alright, folks. We're gonna end it here. If you want to see another video like this, tell me in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button. Whatever. See ya. I might post some of this on TikTok too, so I probably sound dumb.